Welcome, and today we will be learning how to create a 3D logo with cubes. First we will start to create our artboard. First thing we will use is the polygon tool. Just leave it at 6 sides. Rotate it and then copy the first shape. Continue on copying the shapes. Be sure to use the guidelines, because they are very handy. Group all the shapes, and after that lock it in place. Okay, create a new layer, and now we will try to create our cube. If I'm going too fast for you guys, just pause this video, and when you're done, just continue. Okay? Okay, so now we're creating the shapes, the 3 shapes. Now the third one. Okay, nice. Now we will give all the 3 shapes a color, just so we can have a better look at it. Don't forget to pull your stroke out. Okay, nice. This is our cube. We'll move it, we'll copy it and move it, and we'll use that as reference, okay? So you have to group one of them so that you can use the whole cube. Go to arrange, send backwards, send to back. Arrange, send to front. Send to back. Arrange, send to front. Okay, nice. Make sure all your cubes are lined up nice. And next we will ungroup the 5 layers, the 5 cubes once again. And now we will group the top layers, the blue layers. Okay, nice. Now we will put a cube on top of the X. Arrange, send to front to bring it forward. Ungroup so we can use the top part of the cube to make it look like it's above or it's floating. Go to transparency and apply. Okay, nice. So now you already have a look. Now it already has a look. And now the only thing we need to do is fix the colors. Okay. We will use gradient. We will make our own gradient. We will use red, black, blue, and yellow. Use the eyedropper. And we will also use the same gradient for the top layer. Next, we will give the boxes another color, the second color, and the top box also the same color. Use the gradient tool to play with the shadows a little bit. Okay, nice. The reason why we are doing this so that you can see the difference, so that you can tell the difference. Copy, paste, and multiply. Okay, nice. We don't need that cube anymore, so we will delete it. Group, so we can move around with it. Now I'm just experimenting with the colors by using the gradient tool, and it came out very nice, so I like the second one. So that's it for the video, guys. Tell me which one you like more, the first one or the second one. I will choose the second one. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys want more videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.